So guys, I got another package on my table here on my workbench. It's a big package. It's a kit I just ordered and I'm very glad to unbox it. Let's go. It's another Sutermecken package, by the way. Another parcel from Sutermecken. Beautiful box content. Okay, now I'm not the first who does a video about this kit. Okay, I'm not the first who does that. I know there's some space, but it's very important. I think it's very important to do that because 50% of what they achieve with this kit, ICM models, they will donate to the Ukrainian army forces. Okay, so I think everybody should get one of those. Okay, we know the Ghost of Kiev maybe it did not exist, but it's about the, it's about the spirit. It's about the spirit. It's a symbol. Yeah, it has become a symbol of indominate struggle. All right, symbol of indominate struggle. And I don't not only have the kit here, because this is an older kit already from 2008, I think. I also have the paints. I have a paint set, the complete paint set, acrylic paint set of the Ghost of Kiev. These are ICM colors. These are ICM colors. Okay, I didn't even know. Let's hope. Let's hope. Shake well before use. Prepared for the brush, for the airbrush, dilute with water or thinner, 40-60%. Use primer, colors can be mixed. Temperature above 25 degrees, use retarder. Applying from airbrush, first use primer. These are the paints. So the colors included is off-white, sky gray, dark sea gray, dark gray, and German gray. All right, let's have a look. And also a satin varnish. Satin varnish acrylic paint for adult modelers only. This is adult content, bros and girls, by the way. This is adult content. Okay. German gray. Little pots here. Put them here. Dark gray. Dark sea gray. Sky gray. And last but not least, off-white. Okay, here we also have the color scheme. We can see which paint has to be applied where exactly. But as far as I checked it, yeah, okay. Because that digital camo that you see on the aircraft, that is achieved by using the decals included, right? We have the decals included. Okay, so let's have a look quickly at the content of the kit. It's a 2008 kit, like I said before. I just checked that quickly, and yeah, it's true. It's from 2008. Just got new decals for this MiG-29 of the Ukrainian Air Force, just to create that Ghost of Kiev spirit, okay? And as I said, 50% of the income of this kit will get donated to the Ukrainian armed forces, Ukrainian military forces. So I think that already, to me, was reason enough to immediately order it. Immediately. Okay, and I love the box. I love the artwork here. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. We got the sprues with the clear parts. The body is like in one piece. I think nothing has changed since 2008 with what's inside here. That must be the same content. That must be exactly the same content. And yeah, just like that, I mean, the quality of the details is good. It's not outstandingly crazy, but it's 1/72 scale. The gentleman scale. And that's it. So I think we should have a look at this rather than check the sprues. This is beautiful. Looks nice. Colored instructions. And of course, very important, decal sheet for the, I don't know how many different versions can you do. It's like one version. You don't need all of these decals, right? And here is that digital pixel camo, the digital pixel camo decal. I wonder how I will, oh my God. How will I do this? I don't know yet, bro. Looks interesting. Let me say this. I can go as far as this and say that looks interesting. Holy moly. Okay. But yeah, once we committed, right? Okay. That's the scheme. I'm trying to watch, take a glimpse. Okay, you have different, you can choose between different options. Which numbers you will use there. Or on the tail, there are options. That's why there are so many decals. I'm really looking forward to build this one. I will build it soon, very soon, sooner than you think. Yeah, I'm really, oh my God.